Instant Pot recall, Instant Pot recall. Well, hi folks, it's Mike with Get My Tips, and on this video, I'm going to tell you why the reports that you have heard recently about the Instant Pot recall all over the national news lack some very important details. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to keep this video as short as possible so that you are more likely to share it with your friends who own an Instant Pot. Now, the two main reasons that I'm doing this video is that I have a huge number of Instant Pot recipes on this channel and my other channel, Kitchen Tips Online, and I want folks to know that the Instant Pot pressure cooker recommended in the recipe is safe. And the second reason I'm doing this video is I actually made a video about how safe electric pressure cookers are, and I featured the Instant Pot. And for those of you who want to check it out, we'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. Now, the product that the manufacturer has recalled is not the Instant Pot electric pressure cooker. It's the Instant Pot multi-cooker, the slow cooker, the one that you see on your screen now. And you can see it's an oblong cooker that's not an electric pressure cooker. Now for me, I'm going to continue to use my Instant Pot pressure cooker. I'm going to contact my daughter and my sister, who both have Instant Pot pressure cookers based on my recommendation. But my sister also has the Instant Pot multi-cooker, and I'm going to suggest to her that she stop using it. Well, there you go, folks. Now, if you have a friend that has an Instant Pot electric pressure cooker, you might want to recommend this video to them. And also, if you're interested in becoming more handy around the house, well, I invite you to subscribe. Thanks for watching.